guys, today I'm going to be trying the chicken ice cream. Let's go. This is what it looks like. Oh my god, let's try it. This is my first time trying it. Let's try it.
Have a bite now?
So tasty, yeah. My brother.
Alright guys, I'm gonna be trying this.
Rate it. Alright. Yeah, my mom's gonna try it now. How's it?
That's like tasty.
Alright.
Kinda tastes bad. I'll give it like a 6 out of 10.
Well, I give it a 10 out of 10. It's so good.
I didn't eat the cream though. I didn't eat the cream.
You guys should definitely try this.